In this video, we'll discuss the different types of policies available in AWS. Amazon Web Services, AWS, provides a wide range of policy types to help users define and manage permissions for their resources. Here are some of the most commonly used policy types in AWS. Identity-based policies. These policies are attached to AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, users, groups, and roles. They define what actions can be performed on AWS resources by the user, group, or role. Identity-based policies can be either inline policies, which are created and managed within the IAM entity, or managed policies, which are created separately and then attached to IAM entities. Resource-based policies. These policies are attached to AWS resources such as Amazon S3 buckets, Amazon SQS queues, and AWS Lambda functions. They define what actions can be performed on the resource by other AWS entities, such as IAM users, groups, and roles. Resource-based policies are written in JSON format and are attached to the resource using the AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, or API. Permission boundaries. Permission boundaries are an advanced feature of AWS IAM that allow users to delegate permissions to other users, groups, or roles, while restricting the maximum permissions that can be granted. This helps to ensure that permissions are granted within certain limits, reducing the risk of unauthorized access to AWS resources. Organizations policies. These policies are used in AWS organizations to apply policies across multiple AWS accounts. This includes service control policies, SCPs, which limit the AWS services that can be accessed in an account, and tagging policies, which enforce a consistent set of tags across resources in an account. Service-specific policies. These policies are specific to individual AWS services, such as Amazon S3, Amazon EC2, and Amazon RDS. They define what actions can be performed on the service by IAM users, groups, and roles. Service-specific policies can be attached to IAM entities using the AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, or API. In summary, AWS provides a range of policy types to enable users to effectively manage and secure their resources. These policies allow users to grant appropriate permissions to other AWS entities while controlling